Hey world, welcome Trailblazers. In this special release, we wanted to find the value of this expression 76 divided by 1 over 48, then times 48. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 48 divided by 48, which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 76 divided by 1 equals 76. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 76 divided by 1 over 48. To do this division, write down the 76 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 48 over 1, which gives 48. And here again we have times 48. 76 times 48 gives us 3,648. So 3,648 times 48, which equals 175,104. And so our final answer to this problem is just 175,104. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for more fun.